the perfect hiking stick, walking stick, whatever you want to call it. We are in Fort Collins, Colorado. What is this hike called?
Well Gulch.
At the Well Gulch hike in eastern Fort Collins. We're gonna see if we can find any animals. We have not been successful in the previous hikes at finding coyotes or mountain lions.
Thankfully.
Unfortunately.
Thankfully.
I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but let's see what we can find. Shit. Almost got attacked by a cricket.
Oh, he's after you. You're an idiot.
I don't know if I want to carry this around. I might just leave it for the next hiker. Stay right there. You stay there. We've came across the wild human. You see him over there? You see him? Untamed creatures.
Alright, Sydney, ready to rock climb? Come talk. Take the dog. You wanna wait a second?
Yeah, we're gonna hang out here and let those untamed wild humans gain some distance.
Yeah. This way. You know what? I like rocks.
Don't fall. Like you did down the stairs.
Really? I only fell halfway down those stairs, okay? Don't be rude.
Looks like there's maybe a little creek that used to run through here.
Late in the season.
Yeah. Okay. And you guys look at this. Look at this. That is a shoe mark. I know we've got humans around here. Wild humans. COVID infested humans. Let's go get them.
Every bad idea is usually a bad idea.
I can hear them. Right over there. Right over there. All I have for protection is a little pocket knife. Let's see if they're friendly. These are the most dangerous kind. You've got a mother, you've got the father, and you've got the kids. The most dangerous kinds of human. Watch out, babe. I gotta get a shot of him.
You look like
right
such a doofus right now.
There they go. You guys see them? Those are wild humans. Let's try and get a little closer next time.
That's a nice rock.
We got photographer Amanda over here.
Look at that rock. That's nice.
That's a mighty fine rock. Got Sydney
I like rocks.
attracting all the wildlife.
I like taking pictures of rocks.
Alright guys, we got one coming. Hopefully it's nice. Let's find out.
Sydney, wait.
Oh, we're getting closer. We're getting closer.
Oh, really?
We called it a day trip, but we drove to Fort Collins, went around Boulder, went to the,
Yeah, she's a traveling dog.
that's great. She gets along with anything.
Yeah.
Yep.
Have a good one.
Bye, have a good one.
Okay. We got really lucky with that. Number 6. I'm not sure how many numbers we have to go through, but we'll find out.
Seems like they're every 1/10 of a mile.
Maybe. Seems to be getting nicer and nicer the farther along the trail we go.
Yeah.
So-
Nice peak of Colorado.
Yeah. It's getting pretty cold too, away from the sun. Well, not really, but kind of away from the sun. How bright these leaves are. Very nice. Very nice. Mountain lion check. I can smell some humans though. You get close. Let me try and get a glimpse of them. Watch out, watch out. Way up there.
Sydney, wait.
Very nice. Very nice, very nice.
They almost pushed me down the hill. Good thing I did my.
You see them? Trails. That's a human. That's a human shoe. Hunting. See them? There they are. Actually, we're at number 7. Got a little bug right there.
Oh. No, I can't in front of it. There's a lot of other bugs.
All right.
Oh, hell no.
There's a lot of bees, baby. You're just gonna have to walk through it.
I'm not doing that.
What?
We're done.
No, we're not done.
No, I can't do that.
There's humans up
I
there.
literally can't do that.
That just might be it for our hike. Or our hunt. Whatever you want to call it. Amanda's very scared of bees, which makes sense. So I've never been stung by a bee, so no, those were like little sand bees.
I saw like 15 yellow jackets. You didn't see the yellow jackets?
No,
Yeah. I'm good.
those kids made it through.
Good for them. I'm proud of them. But I got a dog to protect them.
All right, so we're gonna head back. At least walk in the opposite direction, and
Sorry to disappoint.
see what we
We
see.
were gonna hit another trail though, like right after this, so it's okay.
Got some friends.
Hello.
Good girl. Hello.
Aren't you pretty?
On a leash that they get tangled
That's
up.
not fair.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, with 2
They'll
dogs.
get out of your way. Is that a wolf?
Yeah, wolf. The
Little
got a
creature?
dagger and a bone going
Oh my
through. God. Looking dogs. But look what I found. A walking stick. There's a river, not a river, there's a lake around here somewhere. I think we're gonna hop off of this trail and head over to the lake or even maybe a trail that goes around the lake. I don't know. We've never been here, so we're gonna check something new out.
No, no.
Hi.
We're actually gonna...
Hey, how are you?
How about this rock instead?
Gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here.
The humans that have dogs, those are the good ones.
Yeah.
The ones with the kids?
When you see a human walking a dog, you know they're a little more civilized. They're
Usually slowly approach them, and they usually don't attack, but you'll know when you get close. But as for the humans that have the kids, stay far away from them. They're kind of like mountain lions. You want to wave your hands in the air and make real loud noises as you're running away.
exactly.
Yeah.
You can just never be too careful out here. That's part of the reason, like I said earlier, why I'm carrying this walking stick, so I can fight one off if I need to. Fortunately, I haven't had to yet. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and leave a comment.
And hit the bell notification so you get notified of our next videos.
Until next time.